Download the RoyalQ app. Click on Register Now. Scan the QR code shared by your friends, or copy the recommended link of your friends to register. Click on Register Now. After registering, click to log in. Click Online. Click on Asset Recharge to start the fuel fee and use the robot to recharge the robot service fee. After the recharge is completed, then click Confirm to start the robot. Select the fuel to start. 100 USDT will be deducted from the platform account. Click Activate button. Click Confirm. And the successful start will be displayed after the payment is completed. After the startup is successful, bind the API of Huobi or Binance. It is recommended that you ensure that Royal has a fuel fee of more than 10 U. After completing the transaction parameter settings of the relevant robot, you can start the journey of quantitative money making.
RoyalQ